So should you buy the Adidas Ultra 4D? How did we surpass those challenges para tumagal pa tayo to the point that we are here today? Di ba sinabi mo kanina kina mutual? Paano kung yung isa ayaw na?
You cannot change a person eh.
Hey guys, Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. I just woke up, pasensya sa buhok. But in today's episode, we are going to talk about the Ultra 4D. So this is like a long-term review. I've been wearing it for months now. And I just want to let you guys know my final review after abusing several pairs. What I think about it. Is it worth buying? Is it nice? Is it better than the Ultra Boost? What's the point of buying an Ultra 4D? All of that we will answer in today's episode. Also, I'll bring you guys along with me. Me and the wife are going on a road trip. So this is going to be fun. Tara, let's go. By the way, quick plug, our Dusty merch is coming soon. This is the Project 721 Dusty shirt. It will be dropping on March 15 on our Lazada shop. So watch out for that one. Dusty, 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 say hello to the vlog. Say hello to the vlog. Hello, humans. So should you buy the Adidas Ultra 4D? Well, if there is one word that comes to mind when I think about it, it is really a luxury. What do I mean by it's a luxury? It gives you no major functional benefit or upgrade compared to other shoes. I mean, it's comfortable if you break it in, but it is not as squishy comfortable, for example, as the Ultra Boost, or it's not as crazy comfortable as the other sneakers that have different types of foam for their midsoles. So in essence, you're buying it because of how it looks, because of what it represents, because of the cutting edge technology supposedly that's used for the 3D 4D printing of the midsole. But apart from that, it really is just, well, a nice looking futuristic shoe, because ultimately it still doesn't give you a major lift in terms of everyday wear or performance. And the big issue why it's also a luxury is because of the price. The Ultra 4D sells for 14,000 pesos here in the Philippines. That's the same price as a Yeezy, that's the same price as a Collaboration, that's the same price as most other sneakers that are special edition. And with that in mind, you're really paying a massive premium to be one of the firsts to be able to use this kind of technology for the midsole. So ultimately, yeah, it's a luxury. It's a want, it's not a need, it's not an essential. It's a nice looking futuristic shoe. But ultimately, it is not something that gives you like a major boost in everyday comfort or everyday wear. Looks nice, but it is pricey AF. And that, in a sentence or a couple of sentences, wraps up my long-term review of the Ultra 4D. Don't get me wrong, I love the shoe. It looks great. I love wearing it. It breaks in over time and becomes comfortable. But is it as comfortable as an Ultra Boost? No. Is it as an Ultra more comfortable than the Nike React Infinity, which is like half the price? No. It just looks good. So, there you go. Excited ka na?
Yes.
You know. Okay, so we're here with the wife. Tada! And as usual, it is the Itanong Mo Kay Mrs. segment. O, di ba? Paborito ng mga tao.
Pero lagi ako kinakabahan pa rin.
Oo, di ba? So, ang question natin for the day, and I'll also answer. So, kasi di ba we've been together for a long time. We've been together for 20 years na. 10 years boyfriend, girlfriend. 10 years married. So, matagal na kami. So, one of the questions that we got asked was, in the times daw na mahirap na, how did we surpass those challenges para tumagal pa tayo to the point that we are here today? So ako muna sasagot para makapag-isip ka.
Hindi, meron ako.
Sige, ikaw muna. Ladies first. Ladies first. Game.
Hindi, ako yung pinaka-important talaga sa akin was mutual siya. First, na pareho kayong ayaw mag-give up. Kasi hindi naman pwedeng kumakapit ka lang, tapos give up na yung isa. Alam mo yun, it doesn't make sense and don't do that. So, what was important to me was knowing that we were both fighting for it every day and na we were both making that choice. Kasi you can't be in a relationship kung one way lang. And then the second was a lot of prayer kasi yung guidance for me talaga comes from God, and for me it was important na lalo na married na you know that you made that commitment not just to each other but also to God and to all of your loved ones. So yun talaga, I prayed really hard na sige, alam ko naman na gusto mo, Lord, kumapit ako. Pero paano? So, yung paano na yon, by God's grace, lagi yon, laging may guidance, laging may direction.
Swak na swak dun sa sinabi mo. And I think this will speak to most men lalo na. It's the humility to admit that you can't fix it by yourself. And that means seeking help from other couples, seeking
Yes,
help from other people, lalo na those who can give you good counsel. So when I say good counsel, you do not ask you ask your friends who are, alam mo yun, strong in their marriage, diba, na matagal na pinaglaban nila, para doon ka makakuha ng advice.
Yun,
diba?
that's
So,
so important.
ano yung terms of church, diba? Parang spiritual anchors, parang ganon. Or anchors in general in life. So, we're blessed to have that. So, shout out natin?
Pastor Dennis,
Pastor Larry, si
Chiquitan,
Chiquitan, si Tammy, yan yung mga gusto namin shout out. Diba? Si Yet, diba?
Yes.
So, si Ate Novi, yan.
Ate Novi.
So, ako yun for men, lalo na watching today, it's that. It's the humility to admit na hindi mo kayang mag-isa. And kung gusto mo pang ituloy, sometimes you really need to ask for help.
Paano kung boyfriend-girlfriend pa lang?
Well, ibang usapan yan, di ba? Unless talagang desidido na kayo, then you can also start talking to more, alam mo yun, married couples already.
And yun, sa akin talaga, yung mutual choice na yun. Kung ma-practice nyo yun, boyfriend-girlfriend pa lang kayo, madadala nyo yon pag when you guys are married and when you guys have a family na rin.
Di ba sinabi mo kanina mutual? Paano kung yung isa ayaw na?
Edi, wag na. Joke. Hindi, pag marriage.
Hindi, pag boyfriend-girlfriend.
Pag boyfriend-girlfriend, wag na. Sa akin talaga, there's no sense in a one-way relationship. It would make better sense na let go muna. And then maybe when you guys go your separate
Masakit,
ways.
pero you need to.
You need to.
Kasi masasaktan ka lang if you keep holding on pero yung isa ayaw sa'yo, di ba?
Kumbaga respected decision na ayaw na sa'yo and ikaw parang separate muna. Wala naman nagsasabing never magbabalikan Pero kailangan ma-activate ulit yung desire both to make it work. Kasi pag wala yun at ikaw lang, you cannot change a person That's also another lesson in relationships. They have to decide for themselves. And that's what makes a relationship beautiful.
That's a powerful line. You cannot change a person.
You cannot. So you have to allow that person to decide for themselves.
And transform, di ba?
And transform. And make the changes that they need to do. And you make the changes that you need to do. And then if and when magbalikan kayo, then you're all the better for it. And you're stronger for it.
So sa mga nahihirapan dyan, sa gantong tanong, ang suggestion namin sa inyo, ano suggestion natin sa kanila? Pray.
Hindi, makinig kayo lang Pastor Dennis. Hindi, hanap kayo din talaga ng relationships that have lasted and learn from their experience.
Kasi alam mo, one thing I think that people don't realize is that relationships that last go through so many wars. And so many problems. And it's in those problems and challenges that the wisdom comes out.
Yes.
So, hindi ibig sabihin, pag may nakita kayong couple na 40 years old, na talagang solid sila na wala silang pinag-awayan. Diba? In fact, the fact that they're that long together means that they went through war. And that they have so many lessons to impart to all of you.
Basagin na natin yung myth na yung best relationship yung hindi nag-aaway. Nako, pag hindi kayo nag-aaway,
may problema.
may hindi nilalabas.
Pag hindi nag-aaway, may problema. Yun ang ibig sabihin yan.
Pero again, healthy fighting forward together is an essential tool. Learning how to fight forward, learning how to learn from the mistakes. And hindi lang yung bakbakan lang, baliwala rin
kasi
naman.
kailangan nyo ibalik sa magkakampi kayo.
Toxic
diba?
naman yun. Lagi kayo nag-aaway. So, yung away kasi is actually discovering a lot about each other's beliefs. It's not always the same. And you don't always react the same way. So, yun, kailangan yung away na yun is to flesh all of that out and to learn from it, 'di ba?
Yun, amen.
Amen.
Okay, with that said, ano ba? Magdra-drive pala tayo, no? So, road trip kami. So, anyway, see you guys in a while or in a bit.